Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Hyundai Sonata brake light using an easy method. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting any work. This simple task can be done in about 15 minutes with just a few basic steps, saving you time and money at the mechanic. Now, let's get to the tail light assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the two retaining screws that hold the assembly in place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the car's body. It might feel a little snug, but a steady pull will release it. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it apart. With the tail light assembly free, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket. It's typically the largest one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from the socket and insert the new one firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. This step is crucial for proper illumination. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Carefully align the tail light assembly back into its position on the vehicle and reinsert the two retaining screws, tightening them snugly. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working perfectly. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.